Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the logo, how you can create the 3D logo cube in CapCut PC. Alright, so you can prepare your logo and just import. So I'm just going to add this logo and make it as an overlay. I'm going to select this white screen and merge it. So select the overlay and go to animation and select combo animation, and you can scroll down until you find the cube effect, cube animation effect, cube. So there are cube 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can try this by one by one. Sorry. Alright, let's going to select another logo. Animation and select this 3D logo cube. Oh, sorry. Alright, select the overlay, go to animation, select the 3D logo cube. You can select that you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.